Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Makeup by Goddess. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, keep on watching. So I moisturized her face off camera. Down below I'll have everything listed, but I primed her face with the Onesize primer. I took my barrier spray from Mehron Cosmetics. I usually use this spray when I want my client makeup to really stay on their face, especially for the events they got going on. This spray is pretty strong. That's why I be telling them to hold their breath. Y'all, this spray is strong, but it is good.
Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed.
And then y'all, I started off with her eyebrows. I took the Morphe pencil in Java. I use this pencil a lot for my clients, but you know, the lighter the complexion, you know, the lighter you gotta go with the brow pencil. I concealed her eyebrows with the Born This Way concealer and toffee and Beautiful Bronze by Lagirl, and I blended that out.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
So guys, around the perimeters of her face is more darker than the inner center of her face. Her inner center is more like a reddish tone. So I took the Loreal True Match foundation in W10 and C9.5 just to keep that undertone on the inner corner. And around her face I took the Nars Zambia foundation. Usually my favorite foundation to use for dark skins, and this is exactly how I blended out her skin tone. I feel like if I took the Nars Zambia foundation, her face will be too dark. I know I can line up with the concealer, but I still don't like the way it looks. You know what I mean? I kind of wanted to keep the same skin tone.
Truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Alright my love, so to highlight her face I'm taking the Born This Way toffee and Beautiful Bronze from Lagirl, and to brighten up you guys will see I take the butterscotch from Born This Way and Maybelline 40 caramel concealer. Y'all love concealer, but I always like doing this type of bright under eye for my clients. It's so pretty.
The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the sky. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head and float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to
Now, my loves, I'm taking my Anastasia Deep Peach powder to set under her eyes, and then you guys will see me take my Makeup Revolution translucent powder just to kind of bake under her eyes and keep that area brightened.
I sit to the head and float. I already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow.
To bronzer her face, guys, I'm taking the Juvias Place Dark Bronzer and bronzing up. I'm taking those two shades and just bronzing up her face. Also, guys, in the video, I did forget to show you guys I use blush. The blush is from Juvia's Place. I'll link it down below, but I think it's from like an eyeshadow palette, I believe. For her lips, I will be taking my Summer Brown pencil from Wet n Wild and my Cork pencil from MAC as her lip liners. And for the middle of her lips, I'm taking Mocha Rouge. I think I took their Soft Life lippy and I topped it with a lip polish from MAC Studios, and then I applied Fenty sparkly gloss. Y'all, everything will be linked down below, but that's basically what I used for the lips, and her lips were amazing. So I'm taking my MAC NW55 powder and I'm pressing the baking powder in her skin, not sweeping, y'all. I want to make sure, you know, everything blends correctly. Favorite part, y'all, we are highlighting. I'm taking my Fenty Diamond Bomb highlight in How Many Carats, and I forgot the gold one name, but I think the gold one is out of stock and I don't think it's coming back, which sucks. So I'm holding on to this for my dear life, y'all. But I'm taking those two to, you know, give her a little glitter on her face. Setting spray I use the Makeup Barrier Spray again, just to lock everything in. my Onesize setting spray, my Morphe setting spray for her face, y'all, because I want to make sure her face looks good throughout her photo shoot. And yeah, that is all, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.